are going to teach you. You see, come close, Charles. You see the way we have so many debris on the Astro Turf. We have this tree here, which when the leaf falls, it creates all these debris. And so many clients ask me, Showers, how do we clean our turf? So today, we're quickly going to take you through 2 major ways that you can clean your Astro Turf. Come and bring the blower. So you see, this is one major way you can use. So you see, it is easily going to gather the whole thing. The blower, you can as well use the normal way of sweeping. The only difference is this one will take a long time for you to get it clean. So you see, Astro Turf is the future. Less maintenance, no watering, no fertilizer. All that you need to do is clean. Cleaning comes on if you have a tree at your location. Without a tree, no cleaning whatsoever till the end or the lifespan of the product. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something and keep supporting Showers TV.